In this video, I'm going to talk about why your desire to be right is killing your trading growth. Stay tuned. Hey traders, a very warm welcome to you. Okay, so this might sting a bit if you're one of these people, but I promise you is beneficial for you. I never give you any information that I don't think is good information, guys. So I see this a lot. You know, a lot of people want to be right. You know what? It's not their fault. It's how human nature is. You think about it. I'm got this little drawing here. You've got two school children. You've got school children. You've got Mr. or little girl, little boy here. He's very happy because his teacher's giving him lots of good ticks on he's being right, he's being right, he's being right, he's being right. He's reinforcing that he's right. It's good. And then you have this little boy or little girl here, and wrong equals bad. Sad face, no things, no prizes, no whatever, just generally has a bad connotation with it. And unfortunately, we take all of this with us when we move into adulthood and we start opening our currency trading account or our stock trading account. And unfortunately, we also do this in life as well. And then also it's true in life, you know, being right is considered good, being wrong is considered bad. You know, think if a surgeon got something wrong, that would be a big problem. If a pilot got something wrong, again, a big problem. So it makes kind of sense when this is drilled into us as children, how it would kind of continue up into adulthood and into what we're doing. But in trading, unfortunately, this is no good. It's no good for us whatsoever, because we can have this in trading, as we know. Let's find a pen. We can be, you know, wrong, right, and still making good money. Okay, so we very, very good money on the week, on the month, on the year, whatever it may be. It's not about being right. It's about making as much money as we can when we are right. It's not about the consistency of being right. It's not about the consistency of being wrong. It's about how much capital we're allocated and ultimately how much we're making on the bottom end. It's the process. So too many traders I see want to be right. They want to call the market right. They want to say, hey, GBP USD is going up from here. You know, USD JPY is going down from here. They want to do that and they want to feel that they've called the market right. Whereas in reality, the money isn't made from calling the market right. The money is made from extracting a little chunk out of that move and making good money out of it. You know, so this is something that if it's troubling you, you've got to crack this nut, because I don't know any really good trader who cares about being right. They just care about the process. They just care about the bottom line. They just care about what is the most beneficial for them and their account growth and their clients' account growth in the future. That's it. They don't mind if the trade's wrong, as long as the risk is capped and as long as they're managing the risk and they're capping the damage and doing all those things that they should be doing. It doesn't matter. And when you get to that point where you can be wrong, right, make money, then you're in that good state of trading, which is going to be conducive to profitable trading. Because when you're wrong, if you're letting that impact you, and in fact, even the language I'm using, wrong and right. There are other traders out there who use different language. They don't say losing trade, they say a draw. They say a drawdown or an expense. You know, they kind of reframe it because they're aware that they're anchored in the position of, hey, wrong and right, loser, winner. No, an expense, rewrapping it as an expense or as a draw or whatever, as a cost of doing business. However, they have to reframe it to get out of that trap of the desire to be right. So if you have that and you recognize, hey, I prefer to be right. And in fact, you know, I've seen guys before who'd rather be right than make money, ridiculous as it sounds. And of course, you're never going to make money long term during that. You've got to accept that you're going to be wrong. It doesn't matter if you're wrong. The point is it's what you're looking at for right and wrong really isn't each individual trade. It's your strategy and your plan. You know, if that plan is wrong, then you need to rewrite the plan and get a plan that's right in inverted commas. I'm not using the right language for it, but you get the point. You may then have wrong, or losing trade. Winning trade, yes, that's a successful plan. And so it doesn't come down to being, hey, I predicted this, I predicted that, I predicted the other. There could be a guy out there who literally traded a very small chunk of a big move and made, you know, 6 figures on it. And there could be a guy out there who traded the whole move and didn't make anything, made hardly anything of it. So it's all relative, isn't it? Would you rather be the guy who makes 6-7 figures on a small chunk of the move because you find a decent risk reward ratio, a place to get in, you analyze it, you get in, you take your money, you get out? Or do you prefer to be the guy who makes a few quid just saying, I think that's going up, places a small trade on because he doesn't really know where his risk is, he wants to be right, he could be drawing down heavily, but as long as he ends up slightly in money, he feels like he's made a good trade. You don't want to be that guy. You want to be the guy who's making the most amount of money for the least risk possible. And that means, unfortunately guys, fortunately, getting rid of the desire to be right. Just focus on the process, focus on the trades, and the money will eventually be far more flowing than it will if you're focusing on trying to be right all the time. All right guys, hope that's helped you. If it has, thumbs up, take care. See you in the next one. Good trading. Bye-bye.